God damn, I'm gonna be late. Enjoy your meal. Daddy's going for work, okay? Enjoy your meal, alright? See you later, okay? Yeah. Now you're probably wondering what the is a biochemist doing in the YouTube studio. Just so you know, by profession, I'm a biochemist, but in reality, I'm a businessman. And therefore, I built my own biochemical YouTube studio laboratory and built a business around content creation in the financial niche. And in my business, I discuss different means in my videos about how to make this paper called money. But before you're able to make this paper called money, there are some things you need to understand. This is just a piece of paper that a lot of people chase around every day trying to make it. And this piece of paper is made from different chemicals synthesized in the laboratory. But then a lot of people spend their whole life chasing this piece of paper and not getting it because they don't understand the singular act of making this money. Therefore, in my YouTube studio laboratory, I discuss different ways on how you can build your skill and understand the different means of making this paper called money. But first of all, before you're able to make this paper called money, there are some key things you need to understand. Now, this piece of paper is attached a value. For example, let's take a look at this Italian pasta. Now, this piece of paper is worthless. It doesn't have any value except a value is attached to this piece of paper. So for example, if I'm hungry today and I want to make food, I want to cook Italian pasta and I want to go and get this Italian pasta from the market to prepare it, Whenever I go to the market, the sellers of this particular pasta are going to tell me that, okay, this particular pack of pasta costs $100. So I'm going to take this piece of $100 and then give it in exchange to the seller to be able to access this Italian pasta so that I can prepare it to satisfy my hunger. Now, this is the thing behind money. You can never make money if you are not providing value. In order for the sellers of this Italian pasta to take my money, for me to give my money to them, they have to provide value for me by giving me this pack of pasta that I'm going to cook to quench my hunger. They are giving me value, and in return, I'm giving my $100 to them. Now, this is the game behind the whole making money stuff. You can continue chasing money all your life, day in, day out, and you're never going to make this money. And some people run out and burn out in the process of chasing this money because they don't know what to do to make this money. So in my YouTube laboratory studio, I discuss different means of how you can create value in order for you to make money in exchange of this value creation. And this value creation can be in different forms. It can be at the place of your work, it can be in the place of your business, or it can be as an affiliate marketer or a content creator or an influencer, whereby you create value for different companies or for your customers, and they are going to pay you generously in exchange for this value creation. This is everything I discuss in my YouTube studio. Talking about giving value, I hope you're getting value from this my video about how to create value in exchange for money. And I hope you're also enjoying my video as a day in the life of a biochemist working from his YouTube studio at home. If yes, then kindly know that it is completely free to like this video, because by liking this video, it helps the YouTube algorithm to promote this video to more people to watch this video and get value from it just like you've gotten. And feel free to also share with your loved ones so that they can enjoy this value and also learn from this video as well. And if you would love to get more of this kind of useful and informative content from my YouTube channel, then feel free to smash the subscription button and subscribe to my channel to receive fresh notifications as I publish 2 videos every week on this channel regarding value creation and how to make money to attain financial freedom. Feel free to like this video and subscribe to my channel. But trust me, this whole video around how to make money by creating value is completely useless if you have not identified means that you can create value and make money in exchange for the values you are providing. So click on this video on the screen to learn 10 different passive income ideas that you can engage in today to start creating value even from the comfort of your home and making money in exchange. See you in this video.